Two words. Peer pressure. Pinilit na ako. Because it helps me to become more mature in my walking life.
Pag hindi pumunta, nakakatawa.
I've learned to love those, not just those whom I know, but even those who I don't know.
Okay lang.
It helps me a lot to excel in my studies.
I learned how to set boundaries, especially sa gaming ko. Computer games.
Ako, I learned how to say no. Right now, I feel that I know how to prioritize my schedules more.
Ako naman,
I learned how to open up my emotions.
walang ganyan.
I learned to appreciate life.
Iyo, si Dave, si Jeffrey, Manstar na kami, and Wingsu Live Group, and excited na kami to share God's word.
Come on, bro! And we would like to be an example sa mga classmates namin.
And we really want to change the cup.
Yeah!